Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to answer a really interesting question. Why do some stars twinkle in the night sky? You've probably seen stars shining and flickering, but what's the real reason behind it? Let's find out in a simple scientific way. When we look at the night sky, stars appear like tiny dots of light. Sometimes they look brighter, sometimes dimmer, almost as if they're dancing. But here's the truth, stars themselves don't really twinkle. The effect happens because of our Earth's atmosphere. The air around us is made up of different layers with changing temperatures and pressures. When the light from a star travels through these uneven layers, it bends slightly. This bending is called refraction. Because of this constant bending, the star's light looks like it's flickering or twinkling. Scientists call this process stellar scintillation. Now you might wonder, why don't planets twinkle the same way? That's because planets are much closer to us compared to stars. Their light spreads out more steadily, so the atmosphere doesn't disturb it as much. That's why planets usually shine with a steady glow, while stars twinkle. So friends, stars don't really twinkle on their own, it is just an optical illusion created by our Earth's atmosphere. Next time you look up at a clear night sky and see the stars sparkling, you'll know it's actually the air around us making the magic happen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing space topics. See you in the next video.